Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool to perform this operation. You will need it to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So you just inject this tool into this little slot here. This slot pops up, and here you can insert your. Here you have SD card slot, and here you have two slots for SIM card. So you have SIM 1 and also SIM 2. Here you have SIM 1 and here you have SIM 2. So let's insert it right here. And then put it back inside your device. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.